Hello, guys. I am Anjali and I hope you all are doing well. Today, I thought why not make a video on how to create an environment for learning English? Because every English learner has to go through this process of creating an environment in order to learn and improve their English. Guys, we just can't ignore the fact that environment of English is necessary for every English learner who are learning English. But here the biggest problem is how one can create that environment when there is no one to speak in English with him or her. Guys, this is the one of the major problem that we have while learning English. I have also faced it in my journey of learning English. But you just don't worry. I will tell you some amazing tips that will help you to create that environment in lesser possible time. Alright? So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Here, tip number one is watch YouTube videos based on English content. Guys, you might thinking, is it possible to create that environment by watching YouTube videos? And the answer is yes, it is possible. Only if you watch YouTube videos based on English content. Now, the question arises, what kind of videos? Guys, you can watch any YouTube videos based on your interest. Yes, guys, you heard it right. You can watch any YouTube videos based on your interest, like cooking, sports, and many more. But make sure you watch it each and every day. Watch at least one video each day because we have to be consistent of what we are doing. One more thing that I would like to add here, while watching those videos, have your notebook and pen ready. Whenever you find a new word or a new phrase, stop there for a while and note it down. This is something that I never forgot to do while watching videos. After you have noted down on your notebook, try to input those new information into your mind so that your mind recognize it well without any difficulties. After doing this, try to use it in your real life. Alright? This is how you can put a step forward to create an environment of English. I hope you get that point easily. This is what about tip number 1. Let's move on to the tip number 2. Tip number 2 is listen English songs. Guys, I know in the beginning it is going to be difficult for you to adapt this new habit of listening English song. But this is how you can create that environment. I can understand you right now what actually you are feeling. Like suddenly someone told you to do something that you have not done before and now you have to do it. It is really going to be difficult. I can understand you because I have also gone through this in my journey of learning English. Guys, listen 2 songs each day. First one is in English and the other one is in your mother tongue. I know in the beginning you will not find it interesting. After listening that one song in English, Listen the second song which is in your mother tongue so that you do not feel bored. Slowly and slowly you will find it interesting and useful as well, because with entertainment you will learn new phrases, new words and their pronunciation, but make sure you do it on a regular basis. All right, so this is what about tip number 2. Let's move on to the tip number 3. Tip number 3 is think in English. Guys, thinking is important in order to learn any language. We think all the time. Our mind is busy thinking lots of important ideas, thoughts, solution to a problem, and many more. But let your mind think in English at least for 10 minutes. It can be in any time within 24 hours. Alright? Suppose your mom told you to prepare salad. I'm talking about simple salad that we usually prepare in our home. While preparing salad, think in English. Like, my mom gave me everything that is required to prepare salad, like cucumber, tomato, radish, carrot, lemon, salt, and many more. Alright? Now, first I have to wash and clean the vegetables properly. Then I will peel each vegetables one by one. After peeling off each vegetables, I will cut it into round shape and try to give it an attractive look. After doing this, I will put some lemon juice in it. Then I will spread pinch of salt in on it. Make sure I mix it properly. After doing this, I will put them on a plate and serve it. So this is how you can think in English. You can take any situation you like and think in English. In this way, guys, you can create an environment for learning English. And I'm sure you can definitely achieve fluency in English if you practice these tips on a regular basis. Alright? If you like this video in any way, then please let me know in the comment section. It will be a great pleasure for me to read. And yes, of course, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe it and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.